Hello, welcome to the next video of partitioning. My name is Sajid Mbabazi.
Here with Habineza Michelle. We are trainers at Tevenja Vet School.
In the previous video, we fixed together the door frame.
Let's now proceed with making the door shutter.
Let us enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabire Devota. I am Carpentry trainer at Tevenja Vet School. Today's session is to make door shutter. The objectives of this session is that later we will be able to identify clearly the different parts of door shutter. The second is that you will be able to produce properly door shutter. Let's follow attentively and record some key points. As we have our prepared material for making door, the following is to mark where the joint will be. We will use door joint, and to make those marking we will use pencil and folding rule. We will also use tri-square to mark straight line. After marking, we will also need drilling bit for making a hole where we will fix doors. As we finish it with marking, the following is to drill the hole. You see that this piece is having center, and this drilling bit will be fixed in center, or it will drill starting from the center. So then we are going to fix this in machine and start with drilling. For making joints, we will use long hole driller to drill where the doors will be fixed. And as the machine produces noise, we need ear protection for protecting our ears. After the production of the connection, the following is to make slot where we will put our panels. We will need to use slot maker. Apart from slot, we will also make counter ribbon. And we will use this ribbon maker for making counter ribbon. We have finished to produce our joints and the slot where to put fittings or panels. The following is to do tri-assembly. In the tri-assembly, of course, we will need our prepared pieces and the panels to fill the gap. We need also clamps for holding our pieces. And also we will need folding ruler and tape measure because the distance we are going to measure is too long. And we will use those measuring tools for measuring diagonals and also we need to measure if our door is fit well. to do permanent assembly. In the permanent assembly, we will need some tools and some materials. In the material, we will need glue. We will need also brush to apply it. We will need clamp for clamping together our pieces. We will need protecting piece to clamp on. We also need bucket of water with piece of cloth to clean leftovers of glue. And also we will need tape measure and folding ruler to measure diagonals. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.